Most modern cars from 2020 onwards feature digital climate control systems that allow you to easily switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius temperature displays. There are three main methods you can use to change these settings. Let's explore each one in detail. The most common method is through your car's infotainment system. Simply access the main settings menu on your touchscreen and navigate to Units, Display, or System Settings. From there, you can select temperature units and toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius. The second method uses your climate control panel. Look for a unit or degree F/degree C button. Press and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. Some vehicles may require pressing two buttons simultaneously, such as Auto and Recirculate. The third method involves accessing settings through your instrument cluster. Use your steering wheel controls or dashboard menu to navigate to vehicle settings, then display options, and finally temperature units. Here's a quick reference showing the relationship between Fahrenheit and Celsius temperatures. The conversion follows a simple mathematical formula. Watch as we demonstrate different temperature values and their conversions. Remember, for your safety and the safety of others, always change these temperature unit settings only when your vehicle is parked or stopped. Never attempt to navigate through menus while driving. Modern vehicles are rapidly evolving how drivers interact with temperature settings. Current trends are making these changes more intuitive and accessible than ever before. Voice command integration is now standard in most new vehicles. Drivers can simply say, "Change temperature to Celsius" to their car's voice assistant, making the process hands-free and safer. Mobile app control is another major trend. Many manufacturers now allow drivers to change temperature units through smartphone apps, even when away from the vehicle. Over-the-air updates from manufacturers like Tesla can modify how temperature settings are accessed, continuously improving the user experience without visiting a dealership. Looking ahead to the future, automotive technology will become even more intelligent and personalized. The future of automotive temperature controls promises artificial intelligence that learns your preferences and automatically adjusts settings based on context and usage patterns. Enhanced voice recognition will understand more natural language, making interactions even more intuitive and conversational. By 2026, experts predict that 90% of new vehicles will support automatic regional temperature unit detection, eliminating the need for manual switching entirely. While these advances are exciting, current users may encounter some common issues that are easily resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. If your temperature unit setting doesn't save, try restarting your engine or check if the setting is tied to a specific driver profile in your vehicle. Some vehicles require separate changes for interior and exterior temperature displays. Check both settings if you notice inconsistencies in your temperature readings. These technological advances and simple troubleshooting knowledge ensure that changing temperature units in your vehicle will continue to become more seamless and user-friendly.